Hey Pretty Birdies, let's talk about the Detox and Chill Lava Water Foundation Primer. The unique charcoal formula promotes oil absorption and detoxifies the skin. This exotic primer will not only increase the wear time of your makeup, but will provide you with hydrated and silky smooth skin. This lava water formula offers maximum hydration, so if you or your client has drier skin or looking for lighter coverage, mix any foundation with our Detox and Chill for sheer and lightweight wear. Its gel-like texture upon application transforms into cooling water beads and changes from black to colorless instantly. It's like a disappearing act.